just launched Claude Design, which is pretty amazing. You can literally design anything, like from a logo to the PowerPoint to the website very easily by just giving the prompt. And most importantly, I want to show you guys these super hacks that makes your design. You can design a website just looking like Apple, looking like Claude, or looking like any brands that you like. And this is something that you guys do not want to miss. You don't want to miss out this getdesign.md. So basically, when you go to this getdesign.md, you get to choose different designs, different branding kind of designs that you like, and you can get an MD file in which you can get this MD file and prompt to the Claude design to design the field that you like. Like I'm just going to show you guys an outcome, and then we are just going to show you guys the steps of how I do that. So this is the outcome. So the outcome is that I actually grabbed the Apple from Get Design MD. Okay, I get a design code and I said that I want to design a landing page like a for a business coach, and I input my name so that it will be very professional looking. So what I did is that I just need to include a very simple prompt here. The prompts, let's have a look. The prompts that I get is like, I just want to design a website for a business coach. The color scheme should follow the Apple website. So this is the first thing that I did. And then after that, I pasted a text of 314 lines. This is the exact line that I grabbed from this Get MD design, and I get it from this Apple. And it's free to sign up and then you can download for the Claude design, and you get a specific file in which I just copy paste the prompts and put them back to here. So it's actually taking about I think less than 10 minutes in order to come up to the entire design, which is very professional looking. They even asked me for some of the key things, like for example my name, whether I can include like a headshot or photo of me, send it to them. I did not include it, that's why they did not input my picture here. And also they asked me about a price point and what are the key informations that I like. And not only that, after they also ask about what are the call to actions that I want, and I can also edit the call to action here. So you can also change the color that you want, like pretty easily. If you want to have the call to action button to be red, that's where you are able to change that. Okay, so and making the edits is even simpler. It's through this command. So basically, this command is just like usually when we talk to our designers, and we'll kind of like circle to them, say that, hey, I don't like this. Can you make the font smaller or something like that? Instead of just doing it very manually last time, but right now you can just comment to the Claude design to say that what kind of edit that you want. Please make this a different color. So for example, this is what I wanted to do, and I send it to Claude. So what Claude essentially means that they know what you have circled. They will just be working on the specific changes that you want, and then they will work it out for you. So you make the changes very easily. Like for example, change the figure. Let's assume figure to 500. So send it over to Claude, and then Claude will just edit it for you. So that's where you can see they done the changes. The Fourier highlights now use a different color, and then they are going to update it to 500 entrepreneurs coach. So these are the things that they are able to update it for you pretty easily. Okay. So in order to see the edit, you need to kind of like reload for a newer version. That's why it's being changed to 500, and that's where they changed a little bit here, but it's not too obvious, where you can leave a little bit more comments to that. So what essentially to you? So essentially makes the process of website design and everything designs that you can think of, logo designs, design of image, design of your slides, make it very easily. So let's say it's a website. So what you can do, you have a few options here. You can click this share. You can actually export as PDF for PowerPoint, Canva, or export it in a standalone HTML. So if let's say you export it as a standalone HTML, that's where you're able to deploy it pretty fast and pretty amazing. Or if let's say you have further things that you need to do, you can hand it off to Claude Code, host this in GitHub, as well as you then connect it with Vercel. Then your website is live in a very short moment, as we talk about. And it's very easy to design the kind of different style, professional style that you like by using this Get Design MD file. So I hope that you guys really have fun playing with this. What I did yesterday is that I actually gave this very simple prompt. I said that I want to design a specific niche. The specific niche can be like a plumber website. I hand it to the Claude, and not only it fixed the entire design for me, but also includes all the relevant the contents, which is very, very powerful. And yeah, but this will only be available in the pro version and above. So if you are using the free version of Claude, you do not have that, and maybe it's a time to think about whether you want to upgrade it or not. So I hope that you guys loving this video. If you have been learning something new today, can you please comment down below, or to like this video and to share it to your friends, which will benefit them, because YouTube will then recommend this video to even more people. And remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel to receive even more updates whenever I learn something new in AI. Also, of course, if you are using a Facebook organic marketing to get more leads and clients, you do not want to miss out my Facebook automation tools and software, which you can get it at junlo.net/all software. We have like software that can help you to bulk delete inactive Facebook friends, to Facebook automation tools that can help you to organize, to turn your Facebook into like a CRM system, to label your friends so that you know who you have been in touch and who you need to follow up as a potential clients. So I hope you guys having an amazing day. Take care. Bye.